I'm Evan Bao. I'm a QC engineer here at Camanco, and today I'm going to be talking about Spark testing. Spark testing is our third and final form of non-destructive testing that we perform on welds in the field. Spark testing is typically saved for welds that we can't get a vacuum box on and that we can't air channel test. That's typically either pipe boots or kind of corner welds of walls. So spark testing is a little bit more complex than the other forms of non-destructive testing. To perform a spark test, you have to have some sort of conductive material underneath your weld. This is typically a copper wire that we kind of put underneath the weld prior to welding, or it's a conductive liner that is prefabricated for spark testing. After you have that underneath, after you do your extrusion weld as normal, and then you'll take what is either like a holiday arc tester or some sort of pre-made spark tester that has a brush or a pad, and you take that over your weld. And what this does, geomembrane is typically non-conductive, and so if there's a leak or a hole in your liner, there'll be a spark between the conductive copper wire and then your arc test, and then you'll be able to tell that there's a hole there. Like all other forms of non-destructive testing, we perform spark tests to verify the integrity of our liner. It's incredibly important for spark testing in particular just because it's typically performed, like we said, on pipe boots and corner welds, and this is typically where you'll see the most vulnerable spots for your welds. We document it, we put it in our repair report, and then this is all submitted as part of our final QC package to our customers, and so that way they can then in turn submit that to the DEP or the government, and they'll feel confident that Camanco did a quality job.